Welcome to Sounds of the Six. We have three fantastic bands competing. Of course, we got judges that are going to be deliberating on all the performances and ultimately deciding who is the 2017 Raising the Roof Battle of the Bands champ.
We have some awesome people here tonight. We have great bands. We have Carlos. We have our awesome DJs. We have wines from Niagara. We have amazing food. And last but not least, and very much important, please give a round of applause to our volunteers here tonight. You help make this happen. We can and will end homelessness in my lifetime, in your lifetime.
I love myself today, not like yesterday. I'm gonna be okay. I love myself today, not like yesterday. Take another look at me now. Hey, hey, I love myself today, not like yesterday. Oh, dead and gone, I'm gonna get my way on. I love myself today, not like yesterday. Take another look at me now. 'Cause it don't last long. You'll last long forever.
We're gonna do our next raffle draw. This one is for 2 round-trip tickets from WestJet to anywhere they fly. 0714039. We have a winner.
Never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Oh, it's easy to pretend. No, you're not fool. Should have known better than to cheat a friend and waste this chance I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you.
Excellent, excellent work. I was a big fan of that set. Love the song selection. There wasn't much I could offer in the way of criticism.
You guys are definitely a party band. If these guys had a party, would you go?
I love how you made us all want to dance straight away. You guys were awesome.
Secret alphabets. I like another cigarette. Learn to forget. Learn to forget. Let me sleep all night in your soul kitchen. Warm my mind in your gentle home. Cry me out and I wonder, baby, going in the neon rose.
One more time for Nightshade, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for him. I've been doing this for a while now, and that was one of the most professional sets I've seen in a long time. That was awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you, judges. Thank you to all the bands. And now you guys, it's your turn to vote. Your ballots can still go in.
This is what you call unrehearsed.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a